guys. It's already 11:35 in the evening. So I need to prepare my snacks for tomorrow in this high school, Almeria High School. I cook gelatin and also cheese stick. This is what I did. Cheese powder, condensed, and cornstarch. I will mix it, and after that I cook. I will wrap the lumpia wrapper. So I preparing also the boiled egg. Anyway, I cooked the ripe banana. Look at that one. Ripe banana for my halo-halo. And my boiled egg is already cooked for my quick. So that's what I did every night. I will sleep at 1 o'clock in the morning. I need to finish this because I'm not done yet. Thank you guys.